Changes. Turn and face the strain. Changes. Don't wanna be a richer man. Changes. Turn and face the strain. Changes. It's gonna have to be a different man. Time may change me, but I can't trace time.
Good morning everyone, and this assembly is coming to you from the finished kitchen. Can I hear a great big cheer? Really happy in the Stevens household. Everything is done and everything is looking really good. But enough about the kitchen. Let's get on with today's values assembly. So everyone, for each other we, every day we, to improve we, and together we will. Good job. And our Stukeley focuses are, and our Stukeley motto is, and our Stukeley curriculum is. Great, so let's kick off this assembly. Now, over the last few weeks, we've been talking a lot about change. And in this assembly, we're going to continue to think about change. But it's a change that we know is coming. We're actually planning for it because we know that when we plan for change and when we think about it and we put things into place, change isn't quite so difficult as it sometimes can be, especially if it's change we weren't planning for. So at the moment we're thinking about a managed change, a change that we are expecting. And the change that we're thinking about at the moment has actually got a special word. We talked about it last week. I'll give you a clue. The word begins with a T or a T sound. So quickly tell someone near you what that word was. Hopefully somebody remembered. The word was transition. Now, I wonder if you can now tell somebody next to you or near you what the word transition actually means. Great job. So at the moment, we're thinking about moving from our current year group into a new year group. And whenever we have times of change, whether we're adults or children, that can be quite tricky. And often when we're thinking about going into new situations, we have what we call mixed emotions. Part of us are really looking forward to it. Part of us are quite excited about the prospect of meeting a new teacher, having a new class, having a new desk to sit at and new books to write in. And the other half of us is sometimes a little bit nervous because we don't know everything there is to know about that new class, and we don't know everything there is to know about that new teacher. And because of the stuff that we don't know, that can make us feel a bit nervous and a little bit worried sometimes. So we have these mixed emotions, a little bit excited and a little bit nervous, all rolled into one. But I want to reassure you that if you are feeling both of those things, it's completely normal. And everybody, adults and children alike, feel that way at some point or another in their lives, especially when they're dealing with change. So in order to try and make change feel a little bit better, last week, if you remember, we talked to children in school about what they would like their teacher to know about them. Because we know that as we get to know people and become more familiar with things, that change and things is less worrying. So we found out what children wanted teachers to know about them. But I thought it would be interesting for us to know what teachers would like children in their new class to know about them. That way, if we all get to know each other that little bit better, we'll all feel that much more comfortable about moving to our new year groups. So I wonder what they've got to say for themselves. Should we take a look?
Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Watley and I teach in Year 1. I'm the computing coordinator, which means I'm in charge of making sure your computing lessons are fun and that you learn a lot about computers. I am a big fan of Star Wars, as you can probably see from some things behind me, and I also like doing drawing, so I'll be doing lots and lots of art next year with my new class. Hope everybody's okay. Take care, see you soon.
I'm Mrs. Colley and I speak French and I speak German, but I need some help with my phonic sounds.
Hi Stukeley Meadows, hope you're all safe, happy and well. I asked Moose Group this week what I should tell my new class about myself, and they said I should tell you I like to tell you stories, especially about myself and my family. I reflected on that and thought, I do a lot. I tell you about what my mum and my granddad did during the war. I like to tell you about my children and how they got on at Stukeley and how they got on at secondary and university now. So I think you get to learn a lot about me, and I'm really looking forward to learning all about you too and getting to know you much better. I believe Mr. Singletary's four words about being kind and working hard, and I think that means you'll be successful anywhere in your life. So I'm really looking forward to September when we can start again. See you soon. Bye now.
Hello Year 3, I'm Mrs Horn and I am Acacia class. I'm really looking forward to seeing you all in September. It's been a long while off school, hasn't it? I'm out in the forest area right now and I really love being outdoors. I hope you do too. See you all soon.
Hi there, I'm Miss Saby. I will be working in both Acacia and Birch class this coming September. Looking forward to meeting you all and doing some great artwork.
Hi, I'm Mrs Williams and I teach in foundation stage and juniper class. I really enjoy reading books and baking. Look forward to seeing you all soon.
Hello everyone, I'm Mrs Bradbury. I am the Year 5 teacher and I'm in Chestnut class. So if you're going to be in Chestnut class in September, this is where you will be with me. What do I like doing? Well, at school, I really like maths and I really like history. We get to cover the ancient Greeks and also the Tudors in history in Year 5, and I love the Tudors. Outside of school, really love music, and I will share my passion with you every day in Times Table Rock Stars. During lockdown, I've sort of trialled a new hairstyle where I have dyed the front of my hair a lovely silvery blonde colour, but I will be back with red hair again in September. Looking forward to meeting you all. Bye!
Hi there, I'm Mr. Smith from Lime class. My favourite lessons are maths and teaching French, and my interests are playing tennis, taking photographs. Can't wait to be teaching you in September. See you then. Bye bye.
Hello to the new Sycamore class. I'm Miss Barry and I'll be teaching you maths next year. I really enjoy teaching maths and hopefully you will enjoy it too. Look forward to seeing you in September. Take care. Bye.
Hi everyone, it's Mrs Boswell in Year 3. I teach in Willow class. I'm really looking forward to meeting the next group of Year 2s when they come up. I love sharing a story and especially reading picture books. During our time in lockdown, I have thoroughly enjoyed discovering the artist Rob Biddulph, and we've been making some really wonderful creations.
Hi everybody, my name's Mrs Booth and I'm one of the foundation teachers, and I love dancing, I love hedgehogs and goats and being outside, and I really enjoy forest school and taking dogs for a walk. Thanks very much, see you soon!
Hi, I'm Mrs Hunt. You may find me in Pine class reading the class a story, as I truly love books. I also enjoy going to the beach and walking in the sea. And if I'm not doing that, I like to spend time baking treats for my family.
Hello, I'm Mrs Hill. I teach Year 4 in Birch class. My favourite subject is history, and I'm really looking forward to teaching you all about the Romans in September. See you soon, bye!
Hi there, I'm Mrs Wilner. I'm one of the Year 5 teachers. I work with Mrs Bradbury. If you're in my class, you'll be with me in Beach. In school, I love teaching history and English. And outside of school, one of my passions is actually history, particularly the Greeks, Romans and archaeology. I also love reading books, and when I'm able to, I love travelling and exploring new places with my family. Look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.
Hello, I'm Mrs Peake and I teach Year 6 in Sycamore class. I'd like my new class to know that I love reading and learning new things. I'm really looking forward to meeting you all in September. Bye.
In Pine class, I like to do lots of art, drawing and painting, and when we're doing TT Rockstars, there's sure to be some Spice Girls songs playing.
Hi everybody, my name is Mrs. Spencer. I am good at reading and writing, and I also very much enjoy creative activities. I'm so looking forward to meeting all of the new foundation stage children very soon.
Wow, I didn't even know all those things about your teachers. That was a real eye-opener, wasn't it? I feel I've got to know them that little bit better as well, so I hope you do too. Well, that's kind of it for today. So now you know what there is to know about teachers, now they know what there is to know about you. Hopefully we can all feel comfortable about all the changes that lay ahead in September, and we can feel not only comfortable about it, but also excited and look forward to it. So that's our transition assembly done for today. Wonder what I'm going to do assembly on next week. I'm going to have a little think. Okay everyone, work hard, be kind, see you next time. Bye.
Changes. Turn and face the strain. Changes. You wanna be a richer man. Changes. Turn and face the strain. Changes. It's gonna have to be a different man. Now may change me, but I can't trace time.